May as well hack on away, eh, bro? Yeah, I can get one now, dude.
Played me. That son of a bitch played me and I let him. What's he doing, Mickey's? No, you won't hurt them. I'll kill him if he touches them. No, he has to know that. No, he's trying to draw me there. He wants me to work with him. Find the guys who attacked us.
I'm
Fuck
just
that.
lazy.
I need to take him down.
Really? You're telling me to go through a freaking wall? Stupid GPS on this game, I swear. This will probably be my last video for maybe a week, guys. I have to go to work all the rest of this week. I'm sorry. It's just was required for me to be there. I'm like the only one that actually does anything. So yeah, you know, I won't be uploading night videos much. I'll be doing day videos more. And I probably won't be doing commentaries very much either. I'll be doing Watch Dogs, GTA 4, Midnight Club maybe, whatever you guys feel like you want me to play. I got a bunch of games. I can name, I have Minecraft, Watch Dogs, Saints Row 3, Saints Row 4, Assassin's Creed 3, let's see what else I got. I got Spartacus Blood and Sand, I think it is. Spartacus Legends, that's what it is, I'm sorry.
Where are they?
I'm not looking to let you make you guys watch the freaking cutscenes. They're stupid.
Where is Jax? Damien doesn't have him. I hope he's got his tablet. There.
This is Act 2's first mission of the game,
Someone's after him.
which is like mission 9, I believe. Hang on, I'll check my handy thing here. Nope, it's mission 10. I'm sorry.
Jax. I need him safe. Come on. I'll grab Jax and then Nikki. Damn it. He's got Nikki.
Alright, here we go, guys. Woohoo! I'm sorry I can't play the sound loud, because my parents are still asleep. And overall, it's way too dangerous. Alright, here we go. Oh, last time one hit was great. Alright, go! Oh, shoot. Not good. Peace. Ah. Probably should have bought like a battery. Try to get a damage. sweet Vivian. Boom! There we go, guys. This mission is just about complete. And I might just try but I can't. Of course I can't. I'm a very disturbing child. I'm gonna turn it up a little bit for you guys. Oh, nope, I can't. Sorry. Wait. I do. There we go. Oh, mission on to
Yes.
a little bit. And I could just do like 2 videos. So, yeah, I might just do that. Boost points. Yay. Focus boost. Or IED. We got focus boost. There we go, that's Act 1. You see that I completed Act 1. I'm sorry I didn't get to record that for you guys. I just didn't have anything to record on at the time. And now we're going to do another mission. Act 2. Mission 2. Don't know the title of it, so whatever. Oh, lovely. Alright. Retard. Yeah.
I'm heading into a tough neighborhood. I need to be prepared. How's it going? Hey!
Authorities at Chicago Correctional Center are triple checking the security protocol today.
Racing. Let's see where that is. Gotcha. Bravo Racine.
And just because I'm playing old lady. Oh, and there's a thing there too. Instead of driving this, we're gonna get a good car out. Give me some replay or
You're all
something.
set. Have fun.
Oh! First time you spawned right behind me. Awesome. Because this car is extremely fast and overall superior. It's a special edition of Papa Bear. Not sure if I said that right, but I don't care if I did. This is overall a real nice car. I'm gonna try and do 2 missions every video. If I can't, then I'm sorry. I really am. I'm sorry if I can't. Just sometimes I'll have to do other things, like later a 14-20. Damn, look at how much because it kept freezing up on me. So I'm going to get PS5 because my father had gotten it for Father's Day, and after playing on it for like an hour, I instantly said I want one. And he told me if I wanted one, all I had to do is take $40 from my own money, go down to AT&T and trade in this piece of junk phone I got here, and pay the $40 there. Then I can have the 5, yes, 4 coming. I'm up to 5 though. Alright, as you can see, we're finally to our next mission. We now start up. The mission is Breakable Flame. Now if I fail this mission, I can't edit it. So that's a downside because my MacBook is not working at the moment. And, well, I don't really care for it. And, oh shoot. Hopefully that nobody caught that. Take down. That's a bad thing about driving a car in this game anyway. You can get freaking songs like instantaneously. Take camera. Get that camera.
What is this? What the?
Overall, my top favorite thing to do with these guys is just blow them up. See, now being a YouTuber can really help me out here, because it kind of kills my DL speed. Like, a lot. Because I'm trying to get my Mac fixed now. Oh, no, he's not there. I know you guys don't want to hear that. Sucker. Alright, I'm gonna go see what the heck these guys dropped. See if they got a gun I don't have. And then the next mission we play, I'm getting the weapon I don't have. And I'm gonna want a lot more than what I have right now. Because all my guns are silenced. One, because I need silence so I don't get in trouble.
Nothing. Computer.
I just did that just because.
Robert. Nice to meet you. Are you double-crossing me? I
sit down.
Hello? You're gonna have to get somebody out here quickly, alright? You got it.
Sit down, you say.
He's got a gun?
Hi, buddy. Yeah, you wanna try it again?
Don't fuck with me, Agent. Wasn't I clear?
You should stay away from Jackson.
Yeah, how about that? One of my employees got a little overzealous. Your nephew is not on my radar. You go off the rails again.
My sister on the phone.
Listen here. You think you have any control here? You can just talk to Nikki once you have something useful to give me. Follow that IP address and then we'll talk. Right now, you're just wasting my time.
Don't get in trouble with YouTube. Alright, that's us for you. Woo! And
Well, that's exactly how.
peace.